Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to an update on Gala. Of course, I had to be back. Gala reached our price target, or at least our price target. I'm not sure. I don't really set price targets in these videos. But what we talked about yesterday when Gala broke above this resistance level at 2.15 and 2.1, and it was struggling a little bit yesterday morning, or at least it was not really struggling, but a little bit with 2.3 cents. So when it broke above that yesterday, what we still talked about is that the most likely scenario in my eyes, due to that bullish breakout, which makes the market structure for Gala just way more bullish, breaking above 2.15, which it did. That in combination with the bullish momentum that I expected from Bitcoin, which also came yesterday finally, because I've been saying that for a week, that should have been enough to get up to 2.4 and 2.45 cents. That's what I said yesterday. That's what we did. So now it's time for an update. Now I do want to, we also have to consider some news that we got, or that we got, that Gala got. It's not like we're a team, Gala and I. But yeah, so they got a strategic partnership with DWF Labs. DWF Labs is a market maker and fund in crypto whose cryptos sometimes tend to magically rally a lot. All right, so that's super bullish. Like, I'm 100% sure that there are bots who just scan the Twitter page of DWF, and every coin that they do something with, they pump it. So that's helping Gala right now as well. But apart from that, I mean, Gala already was bullish. Gala already was doing great, and it would have reached 2.4 cents without that as well. So now, yesterday we briefly talked about the possibility of potentially going up to the next price target at 2.7 and 2.75 cents. Now I do want to, or 2.7, 2.8 actually. Let's just say 2.75 because that's the middle. Now I do also always want to stress that if I say a level like that, that's my price target, that doesn't mean that that's the final price target. All right, that just means that that's the next price target, and then I'll update this video because I could tell you that it goes up to 3.2 cents, which is possible, but that if it gets up there depends a lot on how it reacts to our price target. So now the big question is can it get up there? And I might be getting ahead of myself because right now the market is strong. Bitcoin is strong. It's finding some resistance, but it still is strong. So I might be getting ahead of myself, but I see no clear reason as to why. Like, Gala needs to break above 2.5 cents. That's the next psychological resistance level. And I really don't see a reason why it would not break above that level. The market structure right now for Gala is bullish. If you consider the open interest and the volume, I haven't looked at that, but that's also growing. Like, look at this. This is very strong. Very strong. And then you also have DWF coming into the mix. I see no reason to not do anything like this. Now, obviously, it is a possibility that at some point of time, Bitcoin will pull back. And Gala is quite correlated on the short term with Bitcoin. So that's a possibility, right? It's a possibility that it pulls back to 2.4, 2.3 cents, potentially even lower. But even if it does, the market structure is still bullish, and I would not see in these circumstances why that market structure would not translate into a bullish breakout above 2.5 cents and for Gala to reach her price target. That's all. That's all I have to say, or at least that's all I think about Gala. Now the situation changes if Bitcoin really becomes bearish. But at this moment, I think the chances of that are so low that I don't think we need to explore that scenario too much. But you should know that. I mean, Gala, the whole market is correlated with Bitcoin. If we get bad news, the whole market will go down together with Bitcoin. But that's not the case right now. I'll keep you updated on that if I can. As much as I can. For now, this is my take on Gala. So if you do have any questions, if you want to discuss it, I'm always open for that. Lastly, down in the description and the pinned comments, there's also links to my premium group and signals group. If you want to become a better trader or make some profits joining my trades, consider joining that. There's more info there. The results of the signal group are all transparent. You can read out, you can find out more about the perks. I'll leave that up to you if you're interested in that. All right. For now, this was my take on Gala. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and bye.